Can we improve health through light energy? Now, science is looking more closely at using an ancient source for modern health and healing.
In its source, energy actually comes from the sun. Everything is derived from our sun because the sun has so much energy that it gives to us. Without it, we and everything living on this planet would not exist, would not live. So that is what energy is, and its source is the sun ultimately.
There's different forms of light therapy based on the wavelength.
Energy healing would be that then. You take the energy from the sun, and the sun has the spectrum of different wavelengths, frequencies, so different energy levels depending on what it needs to do.
Light therapy is a simple technology, and it helps us on a cellular level because it penetrates into our body. Our cells within our body absorb its energy, and then it utilizes that energy in normal cell functions. Red light is used most commonly in the hospitals, in the burn units, to help grow tissue. It's also used therapeutically for the anti-inflammatory response that it causes. It's a wavelength that actually goes deep into the skin, and it relieves pain. It regenerates tissue. We use red light therapy in our practice post-procedure. Number one, it helps reduce inflammation in the skin. It also calms the skin down and helps the redness, and it helps the cell turnover, so it helps speed up the healing process as well.
We asked Dr. Wong about the connection between health, our chromosomes, and light therapy.
Telomeres are the part of the chromosome, so the telomere is very important. It dictates the lifespan of our cells. So it's really a way to determine if you're going to be young or old, and if you can repair the telomere that's damaged, then you're young again. The light can be used to destroy or to build things. So if you have exposure to radiation, say, which is a wavelength that can cause disruption in your DNA or chromosomes. So if you have inflammatory things or toxins that break down your telomere and shorten it, then it's going to affect that chromosome. So yes, indeed, you're going to have light affect the health and the well-being of the telomeres.
The Cellnergy wellness device is a red light and terahertz frequency generator. It's a natural, safe frequency generator that can be used for wellness and healthcare.
The device assists in maintaining the youthfulness of our skin by waving it over the skin, any area, face or body. It assists with the inflammation, so it reduces puffiness. It helps fine lines, wrinkles. It helps reduce any pain in the body. So you can use it for the skin on the face, but you can also use it in assisting inflammation in the body as well.
The device helps with telomere health by establishing homeostasis, by getting rid of inflammation, free radicals, everything that interferes with cellular processes. And so the telomeres are able to stay at a certain optimal length so that the DNA is protected.
In our practice, if we do come across a patient that has a response to one of our procedures, I immediately give them the device to take home, and what it does is it assists in the healing of their skin.